Grow your own beetroot, a beginner's guide to deliciousness. Ready to add a vibrant splash of color and nutrition to your garden and plate? Growing your own beetroot is easier than you think. Join us as we uncover the secrets to cultivating these earthy gems right in your backyard. Beetroot isn't just a pretty face, it's a nutritional powerhouse. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, this root vegetable offers a wealth of health benefits. From boosting energy levels to supporting heart health, beetroot is a fantastic addition to any diet. Plus, growing your own means you know exactly what's going into your food, no hidden chemicals or pesticides. But the benefits don't stop there. Beetroot is incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Roast it, pickle it, add it to salads, or even juice it for a refreshing and healthy drink. The possibilities are endless. And let's not forget the sheer satisfaction of harvesting something you've nurtured from a tiny seed. There's nothing quite like the taste of homegrown beetroot. Before you start sowing, let's talk about the essentials. Beetroot thrives in well-draining soil and loves sunshine. Aim for at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day. Soil preparation is key. Amend your soil with plenty of compost or well-rotted manure to provide the nutrients your beetroot needs to flourish. This will also improve drainage. Now for the fun part, sowing the seeds. Plant your beetroot seeds about 1 inch deep and 3 inches apart. Don't worry about being too precise. Beetroot seeds are actually clusters of seeds, so it's best to sow multiple seeds per hole. You can always thin them out later. Water gently after sowing to keep the soil moist. Choosing the right variety is also important. Bolterdy is a reliable choice for early sowing, while Chioggia offers beautiful red and white rings. Golden beetroot provides a milder, sweeter flavor. Once your beetroot seedlings emerge, it's time to focus on care and maintenance. Consistent watering is crucial, especially during dry spells. Keep the soil consistently moist, but avoid overwatering, which can lead to root rot. A good rule of thumb is to water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry. Thinning is essential to give your beetroot plants enough space to grow. Once the seedlings have a few true leaves, thin them to about 4 inches apart. Regular weeding is also important to prevent competition for nutrients and water. Gently remove any weeds that pop up around your beetroot plants. Keep an eye out for pests like slugs and snails, which can munch on the leaves. Use organic pest control methods, such as beer traps or copper tape if needed. To give your beetroot an extra boost, apply a balanced, slow-release fertilizer after sowing. Fertilize again mid-season to ensure healthy growth. After about 60-80 days, depending on the variety, your beetroot will be ready to harvest. Look for roots that are golf ball-sized or larger. Gently pull the beetroot from the soil, being careful not to damage the roots. Brush off any excess soil and trim the leaves, leaving about 1 inch of stem. Store your harvested beetroot in a cool, dark place, such as a root cellar or refrigerator. They should keep for several weeks. Now for the best part, enjoying your homegrown beetroot. Roast them with olive oil and herbs for a delicious side dish. Boil them and add them to salads for a burst of color and flavor. Pickle them for a tangy treat, or juice them for a healthy and refreshing drink. Congratulations! You're now equipped to grow your own delicious and nutritious beetroot. Remember, gardening is a journey, so don't be afraid to experiment and learn along the way. We hope this guide has inspired you to get your hands dirty and experience the joy of homegrown beetroot. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips, and leave a comment below sharing your beetroot growing experiences.